Welcome to another hair video. These are 3 hairstyles for braid beginners that you can wear all summer long. Separate a small section of hair in the front. Split into 3 sections. Take the right section over the middle section, then the left section over the middle. Continue all the way down, so right over the middle, then left over the middle. Tie your braid with an elastic. Repeat on the other side. Split hair into 3 sections and braid. When you are done, pull gently at the strands to give the braid more volume. This braided hairstyle is all over Instagram. Next is this half updo. Separate the top half of your hair, leave out face framing layers if you want. Then loop your hair halfway through the elastic to create a bubble bun. Fan out your bun to create volume. From here, grab a section of hair next to the bun and braid all the way down. Secure with an elastic, and don't forget to pull at the strands of the braid to make it look bigger. Do the same on the other side. You can choose to add many hair accessories here. I went for hair rings. They add a charming element to the hairstyle. For this updo, separate the top half of your hair. Smooth over the top and leave out strands around your face. Braid all the way down and secure with an elastic. Now do the same with the bottom half. Once you have your 2 braids in place, wrap each in a bun and secure with bobby pins. Try to pin them close together. And there you have it, an updo that you can take from day to night. If you want to learn how to create a simple braid, head to the link in the description. Thank you for hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Have a great hair day.